guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going Christmas shopping and yeah, I'm fully excited to just get into the Christmas shopping zone. I am actually really looking forward to it and hoping that we get good stuff, and I've already made my board for Christmas. You all saw that, so I'm just gonna refer to that. There are a few more things that I've added to the board. I already have the Christmas tree from last year, so that I'm not buying, but yeah, that's a basic thing. I also want to buy a couple of outfits, a couple of maybe night sets and cute stuff, basics. I have a list prepared, and yeah, now let's get going. Just in case you all were wondering who I'm going Christmas shopping with. What?
Hello.
We have entered the mall, and the first place we are going to is Daiso, and you all can already see they have all their Christmas things out. I hope you all can hear me.
Look there.
Oh my god, that's so cute. I was so excited to come to Daiso anyway. Last time also I got a lot of things from Daiso. I think quite a few, not a lot. We are in H&M right now, and honestly H&M home collection was so disappointing. I had hopes from that, but I did not get a single thing. And then we were just checking, the women's section. I have a few jeans that I'm planning to try because I am tired of wearing these denims. I wear these all the time. I need a new pair, and I need it in light washed kind of vibe. So I have a few that I'll try right now. And yeah, even the holiday clothing collection isn't that good. It's okay, it's not the best. We have taken a quick break and we have come to Pret. We are gonna quickly eat something. Me and Anik both got really hungry. I don't know why, even though we had lunch and came, but it's okay. So we're gonna have something here, and as of now we've just gone to a few stores. There are so many that are still left, and yeah, that's a quick update that I wanted to give you all. I'm honestly not that impressed by any collection of any brand as of now, but fingers crossed, hoping that we get good stuff. We have come to Uniqlo now because Anik wants to do a lot of shopping. He wants to make Uniqlo his entire personality.
It's 5 PM and we are finally here at what we came here for.
No, we came here for Christmas shopping. Shopping day. Y'all know now it's time for a haul. I shopped for quite a few things. Some of them might not be related to Christmas, but because there was sale or something or the other happened, so I just bought it anyways. So I'm just gonna quickly start. First we have a few things obviously from H&M. We have this really pretty sweater in this red maroonish kind of color, and it has a really loose kind of fit. I love it. These basic tops, I have the same pattern in black, and then this is again in white. I just really wanted elevated kind of tops for all the places that I keep going to, so I have these two tops. Then I got something really sexy, so I have this bodysuit kind of situation, and it was only for $9.99. It was on sale, so I just got it because it would be so good. Like, I can style this in so many ways. I am a little confused. I don't know if it will fit me properly or not. I've still not tried it. And then I have another basic top. This is again in like a very deep brown maroonish kind of color. I just love these tank tops. I feel like you can style them in so many ways and just wear them as is, and because they are like a different color, they look really pretty. Then I have a few accessories. So we have a white bow. I have the same one, but I don't know, it got stained because my lip tint fell on it. And then I got these clips, which are again bows. They are like maroon bow clips. Then we have these like black hair ties. I keep losing mine. And then this pink lint roller, because why not? I only got it because it was pink. Next we have a few things from Westside as well. So first is this like cord set kind of thingy. I don't know if it's a workout set or if it's like a lounge set, but like this is the top. It's like a bralette, and then these are like these micro mini kind of shorts. Again, I only got this because the color was really pretty. It was giving Christmas. Then Anik really wanted me to get these like angels, and we can put these on our Christmas tree. Next is Zara. I only got like two things from Zara. First is this like chocolate brown sweater. Again, it's so sheer, it's very thin, it's like fine knit, but then again I feel like this is perfect for the place I am living in. And I also got like one pair of these like skirts, and they are again like this dark maroonish kind of color. They are not brown, they might look brown, but they are a very deep maroon kind of color. And again, I can style this so well with so many outfits, and I love these kind of skirts. Next we have Daiso. Now I had hopes from Daiso, but it was honestly very how do I say it, it was underwhelming. So I did not get a lot of things. I just got firstly these like mini baubles in silver color. Maybe this I'll put on my mini Christmas tree. Some baking related stuff. We have this, I don't know, it's like a patch that you put. It's like a Hello Kitty kind of patch that you put maybe on your bread or maybe on your pancake, and these are for baking. Then we have this really cute like mini Christmas tree which I can put literally anywhere. And then Anik got this pig for himself. I don't know why. It's like a pig making something, maybe like pasta or something. And lastly we have these like disposable cups with like Christmas theme print. And yeah, that's pretty much it from Daiso. And lastly from Aldo, I got a bag, and it's so not my style but still my style. Wait, now it's not Christmas, I know, and it's just like this bag. And honestly, the only reason why I got this was because it was giving New York street style, and you all know I'm trying to manifest my New York vacation or whatever. So I thought this is cool, and it's just like a really nice big bag. I think it can fit my laptop. I'm assuming, and I hope that it fits my laptop. But yeah, that's it. That's the only thing I got from Aldo. Now I know I did not do like too much Christmas shopping. Half of the things maybe are not related to Christmas. But the thing is, if you have seen my last year's Christmas series, you know I went all out and I got so many things for Christmas, which I still have, by the way. So I felt like I would just want to use them again because it's just a matter of this month and maybe a month or two, and I didn't want to splurge too much on like Christmas decor because, just by the way, it is expensive. And I did want to go to like a couple of more places like Bandra and all of that, but I just could not because I feel like this month I've just been so occupied, and last month I was just traveling. So I am a little late to my Christmas decor and Christmas series and everything Christmas in general. So I just wanted to like slow down and take it as it comes. So yeah, that's it. I think maybe in a while, maybe in the evening, we'll set up our Christmas tree, and that should be fun. I'm really excited about that. It's time! It's time we set up our Christmas tree that's sitting right there. I am super late. It's almost 16th or 17th today, and I honestly feel so guilty. So today I was like, you know what? Whatever happens, our Christmas tree goes up today. I've worn my cutie set which I got, which I showed you guys in the haul. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm just gonna play my playlist. We're gonna dance, might shoot a reel. I have literally Zeptoed this like battery light for my Christmas tree because I realized I don't have one. And yeah, I'm just putting it up, and Christmas tree looks pretty. This time I didn't go for pink. I told you all I had my thoughts, and I thought I should stick with red. For some reason this time red was calling me, but anyways, let me just put this light on. Good morning, you guys. So last night I did not really show you all what I did apart from obviously setting up my Christmas tree, and I thought like I'll just quickly show you all everything else that's very Christmassy that I did in my room. That's the only place actually I did like, you know, this Christmas decor thingy, because everything else is a mess. Like my living room does not have a couch, and my other room currently is my storage unit, so you get the vibe, right? But it's okay, I still wanted to be in the Christmassy vibe, and I didn't want to sort of stress myself that oh my god, I planned this and I planned that, I can't do this, I can't do that. At the end of the day, it's all about just being in those vibes, having the time of the life, and just being happy, right? And I just didn't want to stress myself too much that oh my god, the color of my bow is not matching, and I could not make the bow garland, or I just could not make that station I planned on making. Whatever, it's fine. Whatever I did, I think I'm really happy with it. But yeah, enough of yapping. I keep like this. Do you all like the yapper Muskan? Let me know, because I yap so much. But anyways, let me just quickly show you all every cute thing that my room has, which is so Christmas coded. So we have my nightstand here, and we have my mini Christmas tree from last year. Again, I got this from IKEA. And then these mini ornaments that I got from Daiso this year. So this looks really pretty. We have my candle, which I got from Bath & Body Works. And then we have this like reindeer, which is like so sparkly and white. And yeah, this is how my nightstand is looking. I really like it. And then here I have this like sparkly house, and then we have a Christmas candle here, and just very basic. Now this is my study table, and if you see, I have put these two Christmas trees along with the candle here because I just wanted to keep it very subtle. And then on my pegboard I have like some other ornaments that I've just hung up just because why not. And we also have a Christmas tree here, which is again from Daiso, which I showed you all. Now this is my makeup area, right? And here again I have put like these two Christmas trees, and this angel I just had it here, and then a candle, and then there goes my snowman. And yeah, that's it. Like again, super basic, super Christmassy, but right? The only place which I could make very Christmas coded was my dining table, and so this is everything that I've put here as well. Just that. Everything else is not Christmassy, but just the dining table area. Oh, also I've put the wreath from last year on my door. So yeah, this is what I made last year with like bows and baubles. And that's it, you guys. That's it for the video. I'm so happy. Honestly, the best thing I could do for myself was put up a Christmas tree in my room, because imagine waking up to a Christmas tree like that. I can't even believe that was my childhood dream. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, that's it. Merry Christmas, you guys. I'm so excited for all the other videos that are gonna be coming up. I know this year I've not done much like compared to my last year's Christmas series, but it's okay. I'm just having the time, I'm having fun, and I'm taking you guys along with me, and that's the best part, right? So yeah, Merry Christmas.